We're looking at data structures that you need to know for software engineering interviews, and today we're going to go over queues. You use a queue when you have a collection of different things and it matters to you which thing came in first because you want to process that thing first. And that is why we say a queue implements a first in, first out principle. The thing to remember is that when you add to a queue or enqueue something to a queue, it is added to the back of the queue. The front of the queue remains unchanged. It's only when you pop from the queue, the front of the queue changes, you have access to the front element of the queue, exposing the next element that came in after the first element in the queue. An example of when you'd want to use a queue is when you're trying to implement a seating waitlist for a restaurant. Let's say the restaurant is super popular and you have a lot of people just standing outside the restaurant in a waitlist. Whenever tables in the restaurant free up, you want to admit people that were in the queue earlier, aka people that are at the front of the queue. And as more people are showing up, you add them to the end of the queue or at the back of the line, and you only get to processing those people that just joined the line after you've already processed all of the people that came in first.